Welcome to the Multi-Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your home builder business. Now, if you've just stumbled across this video and you aren't familiar with Multi-Sites, Multi-Sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month for the service, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Now, once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. I'm now going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, home builder. Let's pop that in over here. And there it is. There is an option as well for a log home builder if you specialize in that. But for this one, I'm just going to select home builder. Great. Let's tell Multi-Sites a few basic details about our home builder business. And it will work its magic and create a one-page website for us. So I'm going to call this Rochelle's Home Building Co. I'm now going to put in my city and my region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Multi-Site service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the restaurant type of business to service and click on continue. Let's move along. Awesome. And there you have it. Multi-Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me for my luxury home building company. It was that simple. All I had to do was put in a few basic details. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Multi-Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images, very high quality, very professional looking, and they are completely free to use. No licenses needed. Look at that. That's absolutely stunning. It looks so professional. However, if the content that's been pre-written for you and the images, perhaps you want to upload your own and just make a few tweaks to the content that's been written, it's that simple. You can do it. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't even need to hire a web developer. It's that simple. I'm going to walk you through the process, start my way from the top to the bottom, and just walk you through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how easy it is to use, and just to see how the service works. So I'm now going to click on update section at the top. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address, rochelle@homebuilding.com. I'm now going to say show email on site. So my email address is displayed there in the top right hand corner. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here. Whoops. And that is click to call, and it's displayed there in the top right hand corner as well. So your customers can easily get in touch with you. Let's go ahead and put in our address and our postal code. Now, the great thing about it with our address, when our customers click on this address in the top left-hand corner, it automatically takes them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location if you have one that is. Otherwise, just leave it off. Let's head to update social links. And over here, I'm going to pop in our Instagram page and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the service is working for you. There's also an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. And the icons are displayed in the top right-hand corner. Let's go ahead and click save and close and move along. I'm now going to head to update section over here and head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your home building business, that's completely okay. Multi-Sites will literally just display the name here and it still looks really great and professional. However, if you have one, browse your device and upload one over here. Let's check it out. Awesome, that's uploaded. Let's go ahead and click save, and we can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. I'm going to leave it at that size, slightly bigger. If you don't have a logo, I do recommend you check out the canva.com website. There are a few free great options on there. Let's make sure that's saved and move along. Great. So now perhaps the colors used throughout your Multi-Sites page that have been pre-selected for you, I guess this is like a teal, very neutral, but perhaps in your business cards, your signage, it's a completely different color and you want to amend it. You don't need to know color coding at all. You don't need to Google how do I color code. It's not necessary. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket on the bottom right-hand corner and go through the various different color options available. There's quite a few to choose from, and we are adding more every single week. I think this is pretty neutral, but I really like that one too. But I'm going to select, I think, that one. That one also really stands out, so I'm actually going to save that one. Awesome. You can now see that's used throughout my Marcy Sites page. Check it out. It looks really great. Okay, let's move along. As I mentioned before, images pre-selected for you, high quality, they're free to use, and content is pre-written. Button you can link to various places. So let's head to update section and head to update image to change that. Now, if you do have your own images of your projects, go ahead and browse from your device and upload them. I'm sure your customers would love to see your projects of your luxury homes that you've built. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds to choose from, and they are all royalty free. Now, you do need to play around with the terms a little bit. Let's go put construction maybe and see what comes up. But play around with different terms and just see which best suits you. There are hundreds to choose from, and they are all royalty free, as I said. So I really like this one. I'm going to go ahead and select that photo and save my image selection. Look at that. That actually looks really great. Contents, hit update contents, and amend to suit your needs. Now, perhaps you don't want your buttons to say request free estimate. Perhaps you want it to say get in touch. Let's change it and hit to choose link. Now we can link to another part of our website. The lead form at the bottom is a great place, which I'll show you in just a second. Otherwise, go ahead and link to another website if you need to. Otherwise, an action. So I'm going to link this to click to call. Otherwise, there's directions, click to email. Another great option is the PDF file. You can upload a PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to a PDF file that you've uploaded. Perhaps it's all your different projects in PDF formats or some of your rates. Just pop them in there and upload a PDF file if need be. Click confirm and move along. Awesome. Look at that. Looks great. Button has been amended. Let's close it and move on. Now over here, again, content pre-written, change it to suit your needs and change the button to link to various places wherever you desire by clicking update section over here. Over here, we made it to the About Us section. Over here, put a little bit more details of how long you've been in the industry, how you got into the industry, who your team consists of. Your customers would love to hear your story, your backstory, how you got started, if you can help them with your dream home. Pop it all in over here. Image, I think that's absolutely stunning, so I'm leaving it as it is. If you need to amend it, click on Update section. Over here, another great spot for one of your awesome projects and high quality resolution to display it over here. Go ahead and click on update section, but I think this is really stunning. I wish I had a home like that, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it. Onto the services over here. A little bit more details of the different services you offer. Perhaps you offer project management from start to finish, the design process, general contracting. Pop all the details in over here. Another great spot for an image, upload one of your own, or go through the photo library by clicking on update section. Wow, okay, we've made our way into the last section of our Marcy Sites page, the form, get in touch where your customers can reach out to you. All they need to do is pop in their details over here, their message, and click send. But a great question is, when they submit this form, how do you know? We are getting that question quite a lot. You will get notified by email that a lead has come in via this form. You also can find it in your site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our Marcy Sites page that we've just built for our home building business. Look at that. Everything looks really great. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link and sign up. You've got nothing to lose. See how it works, how easy it is to use. You don't need to be super tech savvy. Not at all. It's super simple. So I'm going to head to the top and click on stop editing. I'm now going to head to site dashboard. And over here is where we can find the leads from that form submitted that I've just shown you. If you have a custom domain, connect it via here by clicking on connect a domain. If you're struggling, there is a YouTube tutorial available. And there's also a blog post over at www.marcysites.com. There's also some great tips on how to market your small business. Check it out. So I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your home building business. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any features you'd like to see, comment below. Let us know. We'd really appreciate your feedback. We'd love to hear about how you are enjoying Mighty Sites. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.